What are the things to remember while an online course creator? Competition analysis using powerful resources. When conducting competition analysis as an online course creator using powerful resources, it's crucial to keep several key considerations in mind to ensure you gather accurate and actionable insights. Here are some important things to remember. 1. Define clear objectives. Clearly define the objectives of your competition analysis, such as identifying competitor strengths and weaknesses, understanding market trends, or uncovering gaps in the market. Having clear goals will help you focus your research efforts effectively. 2. Use a variety of resources. Utilize a variety of powerful resources to gather comprehensive insights into your competitors. This may include competitor websites, course platforms, social media profiles, industry publications, customer reviews, forums, and online communities. 3. Be systematic and thorough. Approach your competition analysis systematically and thoroughly. Create a structured framework or checklist to ensure you cover all relevant aspects of competitor analysis, from course content to marketing strategies. 4. Look beyond surface-level information. Dive deep into the information available about your competitors, going beyond surface-level details. Look for hidden insights, patterns, and trends that may not be immediately apparent. 5. Consider multiple perspectives. Consider multiple perspectives when analyzing competitors, including those of your target audience, industry experts, and peers. This will help you gain a well-rounded understanding of competitor positioning and performance. 6. Stay objective and unbiased. Maintain objectivity and avoid biases when analyzing competitors. Focus on factual information and data-driven insights rather than personal opinions or assumptions. 7. Keep your own strategy in mind. While it's essential to understand your competitors, always keep your own course creation and marketing strategy in mind. Use competitor insights to inform and refine your own approach, but avoid simply copying or mimicking what others are doing. 8. Identify opportunities and threats. Identify both opportunities and threats presented by your competitors. Look for areas where you can differentiate yourself and capitalize on gaps in the market, as well as potential challenges or obstacles you may face. 9. Stay ethical and respectful. Conduct your competition analysis ethically and respectfully, avoiding any unethical or questionable practices. Respect competitors' intellectual property rights and privacy, and refrain from engaging in any malicious or harmful activities. 10. Continuously monitor and adapt. Competition analysis is an ongoing process, not a one-time task. Continuously monitor changes in the competitive landscape, industry trends, and customer preferences, and be prepared to adapt your own strategy accordingly. By keeping these considerations in mind during your competition analysis using powerful resources, you can gather valuable insights to inform your own course creation and marketing efforts effectively.